In Ponga, what you were looking at on your screen, when you take your image file, let's say a highly curated 50 meg file with lots and lots of metadata about who everybody is, and you upload that into Ponga, what we do is we make a working copy of that image and we take your original and put it away into archival storage so nothing happens to it. And then everything that you're doing in Ponga in terms of adding sound and text and names of people is all maintained in cross-reference by pixel ranges on the image in native formats, in the text, MP3, JPEG, PNG, all those kinds of things. We don't mush the two together because when you do that, you risk proprietary formats. We don't do that. Keep the original the way it is, add all this content in its own cross-referenced, but still native formats.